Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today let's solve Specimen Paper 3 of Class 12 from Total English book. So as usual, I will provide the solutions from question number 3. So you go through by the question number 1 and 2 by yourselves. So in question number 3, here rewrite the following sentences according to the instructions given after each of them in brackets. So the first one, after the lecture, they asked me to explain the point I had made. So here you have to change the voice of the sentence. So the answer will be, after the lecture, comma, I was asked to explain the point I had made. B, what counts is not beauty but character. So here you have to begin the sentence with beauty. So the answer would be, beauty is less important than character. C, by tomorrow they will have finished painting my house. So here you have to begin the painting. So the answer would be, the painting of my house will have been finished tomorrow by them. D, she asked a stranger the way to Connaught Place. So here you have to begin within inverted commas could. So the answer could be, within inverted commas, could you tell me the way to Connaught Place? At the end question mark, inverted comma close, she said to a stranger. Number E, no sooner had he entered the hall than the movie began. So here you have to use hardly. So the answer would be, hardly had he entered the hall, comma, when the movie began. Next, number 2 here. Replace the incorrect underlined words to make the sentences meaningful and grammatically correct. Do not copy the sentences. So the first one, so here I will read the correct answer. So the first one will be, I took up swimming right away. B, the new principal takes up her duties next Monday. C, the army had firmly put down the rebellion. Number D, she was put down when her neighbors did not support her. Number E, they sympathize with him in his grief. Number F, I have no sympathy for liars. G, this medicine is used for many purposes. H, the baby has got used to her new nursery. Number I, the function began with a prayer song. The composition unit begins from page 69. Next question number 3. Here fill in the blanks in the passage given below with the appropriate form of the verb given in brackets. Do not write the passage but only write the correct order. So you read the passage. Let me provide you the solution. So the first one will be triggered, second puzzled, third published, fourth caused, fifth setting, sixth reverberated, 7 had been melting, 8 crash, 9 bouncing, and 10th continued. Next question number 4. So question number 4 is the comprehension passage. So you read the passage. Let me provide you the solutions. So the first one here, find a single word from the passage that will exactly replace the underlined word or words in the following sentences. So the first one, lethargy, which means torpor. Second, boring, that will be insipid. Number 3, overeating will be gluttony. Question number B, you can do it by yourselves. I am not providing you the solutions for that. Next, number 2, here, answer the following questions as briefly as possible in your own words. So the first question, what sort of friendship existed between the narrator and Simon? So here you can have your own answers. Whatever answer I am providing is not the only answers. So the answer could be, the narrator and Simon were intimate friends. They used to live, travel, think and dream together. They used to share each other's secrets, joys and sorrows together. Next question, number 2, how did Simon describe the grandfather? So the answer could be, Simon described that the grandfather was a treasure and the delight of the children. He was so greedy that he could eat anything and everything at meal. He looked at all these sweets as if they were some objects from heaven. Next, number C, how did the grandfather behave at the dining table? So the answer could be, the grandfather behaved like a glutton at the dining table. He used to look greedily to all desserts at the dining table. He used to devour the dishes on the table with his eyes and try to seize and pull them with his trembling hands. Next question. Here summarize the narrator's thoughts about the grandfather's gluttony. You are required to write the summary in the form of a connected passage. So here you have to write exactly 100 words. So the answer could be, the grandfather's gluttony was seen through his behavior. He looked greedily to all the items served on the dining table and tried to catch and pull with his trembling hands like a baby. He devoured the dishes on the table with his eyes. He used to eat greedily when the sweet rice was served to him. He looked at all the sweets as if they were some objects from the heaven. He ate with feverish gluttony in order to get something more and more. If he was told that he had eaten enough and to stop, he used to cry. And if you think the video is helpful to you, please subscribe the channel and like the video. And if you have any doubt or clarification, comment in the comment section.